Well, here's an update on the babies. The quantity has sure thinned out, but that's to be expected with this being their first brood. I think that's what they call it, their first spawning, and successfully having swimming babies is very, very good. These are going to be, and they're fierce parents, so. Trying to get the babies that it keeps focusing on the parents. There we go. Whoa, look at those guys. I'm feeding them like 3 times a day with fry food, really small. I've got some brine shrimp in my hatchery, and they'll get some of that tomorrow for the first time. But what great parents these guys are. Both the male and the female. They never stop protecting them and moving them around. I think I'm going to have to change all these cichlids into a different tank. Because this is the vertical tank. They need room to grow left and right because they're always fighting against territory left and right with other tank mates. So that's in the works. That'll be another update. Thanks for watching.